Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we are going to take illustration 3 of retirement of partner chapter 4 standard 12th. Before this also I have taken illustration 1 and 2 also. If you want you can check out my account on YouTube and also don't forget to check the playlist. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So let's get started. The illustration 3. Balance sheet of Shyam Traders, Pune was as follows. Partner sharing profits and losses as 3:2:2, 3:2, 5:3, 2:3. Okay, and liability is given. Liability side is given, asset side is given. So without any ado, we'll move towards the adjustment. Here it is. Menka retired from the business on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. The assets were revalued as under. So first we'll go towards the balance sheet and put a star mark on whatever assets or liabilities adjustments are there, so that while solving we can leave one line for doing calculations and all. Okay. So first is stock, building and RDD, plant and machinery. So let's go and put a star mark on stock, debtors is also there, building, and I think on plants and machinery also it's there, isn't it? Plant and machinery. So here it's plant and machinery. Okay. Plant and machinery, building, stock, debtors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is done. Now next is goodwill for the retiring partner is valued at 8,000 and the remaining partners decided that goodwill be returned back in their new profit sharing ratio, which is 5:3. New ratio is already given. Okay, so no need to calculation. And amount due to Menka is to be transferred to our loan account. So until now as many illustrations we have taken, you must have got the idea how to calculate these things, isn't it? I had given you very nice and brief explanation in last video. If you want you can check them out. So let's get started. We'll start posting the liability side, and for capital is given Rambha, Menka and Urvashi. So it's 36,000, 32,000 and 17,600. So that will go on the partners capital account credit side as by balance brought down. How much it was? 36,000, Menka 32,000 and Urvashi 17,600. Okay. Next, then creditors is 20,000. It will go in the liability side of new balance sheet. Okay, creditors. How much it was? 20,000. No adjustment is on creditors. So in the outer column we'll be writing. Next, bills payable 1,200. Again it will go in the under creditors. Bills payable 1,200. Okay. So and general reserves 14,000. General reserve we will be distributing it in the ratio 5:2:3. Okay. So the general reserve calculations, let's do a working note over here. General reserve. is to how much was the share? 5:2:3. And how much is the general reserve? It is 14,000, isn't it? So 14,000 of the first partner. Okay, 14,000. Name of first partner is Rambha. RAMBHA, Rambha. 14,000 into how much? 5, and divided by 5 plus 2 plus 3, it gives 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, divided by 10 equals to, we get 7,000. Same way we have to do calculation of all other partners also. So Rambha is there, then Menka, and down is Urvashi, Urvashi. Menka calculation. Same way we'll have to do 14,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 10. That gives 2,800. Okay, and here 14,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 10. How much that gives? 4,200. So we'll be putting these figures in the capital account over here. Okay, by general reserve. How much we got calculated? Rambha, we got 7,000. Okay, then Menka we got 2,800, and Urvashi we got 4,200. Okay, now next. Okay, now liability side is done. We'll be moving towards asset side. So plant and machinery, building, stock, debtors. Plant and machinery, it will go in the asset side of new balance sheet. So plant and machinery, we'll leave one line and write here. Plant and how much? 32,000. 32,000, isn't it? We'll put a comma. We'll leave one line because calculations are there. So Control Z. Okay, we'll have to leave one line. Okay, suppose this blank is that we have left one line. Okay, now next is what? After plant and machinery, we'll go again. Plant and machinery, building, how much? 40,000. So again come over here, balance sheet, building, how much? Building is 40,000. Okay, we'll be leaving one line for building, and after building, we stock 20,400. Stock, $20,400. Okay, and debtors 16,800. Debtors account. Then after debtors, what we have? Plant and machinery, building, stock, debtors, bank. Bank means obviously it will go in the asset side. Bank. No calculations are there on this. So we have done the calculation, we have done all the posting of liabilities and assets. Now let's move towards the adjustments. Menka retired from the business on 1st April on the following terms. The assets were valued as stock 28,000. It means in the outer column 20 we should get 28,000. So over here we'll be writing 28,000. So what it is coming, it's appreciation or depreciation, it's appreciation of 7,600. 7,600, what it is, appreciation plus, isn't it, plus. Now this will go in the profit and loss adjustment account, credit side, buy stock account. How much? 7,600. Next, second adjustment, building is appreciated by 10%. So building is appreciated plus by 10%. So 40,000, 10% is 4,000, isn't it? So we'll put a comma over here. That gives 44,000, and other entry of this appreciation is there, so it will go in the credit side of profit and loss by what it is, building account. How much? 4,000 appreciation is there. Okay, next RDD is to be increased by 1,000. So we'll go over here, debtors less RDD. R dot D dot D, RDD. How much? 1,000. So that gives 15,800, and the other this RDD will go where? It will go in the debit side to RDD in bracket. Now we'll write 1,000 minus 800. In the outer column we get 200. From where I got this 800? See here, isn't it? Less RDD, 800 is given, isn't it? So we'll minus this 800 from the 1,000. Okay, from where I got this 1,000, it's given in the adjustment. So now next, plant and machinery to be depreciated by 10%, fourth adjustment. Okay, plant and machinery depreciated. So here where it is, plant and machinery minus depreciation. How much? 10%. So that gives 3,200. In the outer column we get 28,800. Now this 3,200, where we will take? We'll take it in the partners debit side, profit and loss adjustment account to plant and machinery. Account. How much? 3,200. Okay, now next adjustment, what they are seeing here, second, the goodwill of retiring partner is valued at 8,000, and the remaining partners decided that goodwill be written back in the new profit sharing ratio, which is 5:3. So goodwill Goodwill of the retiring partner is valued at 10,000 8,000. So it will go, who is retiring? Menka. So in the partners capital account credit side, now we are giving him goodwill amount. So buy goodwill to Menka. So here we'll put a dash, here we'll put a dash, and in Menka how much? 8,000. So 8,000. And next what they said, and the remaining partner decided that the good will be returned back in the new profit sharing ratio. It is profit sharing ratio is what? 5:3. So we'll do a calculation. First we'll write over here, other entry will be done in the partners capital account debit side to goodwill. Now we'll have to distribute this 8,000 in the new ratio. So new ratio they are saying is 5:3. So let's calculate. Goodwill. Goodwill we are calculating. Okay, so how much is the goodwill? 8,000. Goodwill, and now we have to distribute this between Rambha's goodwill 8,000 into new ratio is what they are saying, 5:3. Okay, so 5:3. 5 divided by 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that comes to 5,000. And of Urvashi we get 8,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 8, we get 3,000. Okay, if you want you can minus this also. Remaining is obviously 8 minus 5,000, 3 is remaining. So we'll write this goodwill in the over here. Okay, Menka will put a dash, Rambha 5,000, and Urvashi we get 3,000. Okay, now goodwill is done. Next, amount due to Menka is to be transferred to her loan account. Means whatever the balance of Menka is coming, we'll have to transfer it to loan amount. Nothing, no cash is given. Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll close this profit and loss adjustment account. So what we get over here, so over here we'll calculate. Okay, so first we'll close these accounts, profit and loss adjustment account, this. So calculate, this gives 11,600. So we get profit, so we'll carry down it to partners capital account. In bracket we'll write profit. Okay, and we'll distribute it between the partners. So partners, just a second, Rambha, right here, Rambha's share we get 14 100. We'll share it in the ratio, old ratio. Okay, Meenka we get 1640, and Urvashi we get 2460, 2460, and the balance is, just a second, I will just move this. So the total we get, difference comes 8200. Okay, now we'll transfer this 8200 and all this is distributed between the partners. So this amount will go in the credit side by profit and loss adjustment account, all the balances which we got, 4100. Then Meenka's is 1640 and Urvashi 2460. Okay, now what they are saying, the balance of who is going, Meenka is going, isn't it? So Meenka will transfer it to loan. So first we'll close this Meenka's account. So balance, we over here we get 44,440. So over here we'll write to loan account Meenka. Okay, 4440, and balance over here we'll write 4. So to loan. Now this loan will transfer it where it is liability, isn't it? So it will be transferred in the balance sheet as Meenka's loan account. How much? 44,440. Okay, now this is done. Now we'll close the other accounts. So Urvashika we get 24,260. Here also we get Urvashi 24,260, and the balance of Urvashi is 21,260. So this is 2 balance carried down, and we'll close this also. Rambha we get 47,100. Here also we get 47,100, and minus 47,100 minus 5,000 we get 42,100. So these balance. Okay, and here we'll put a dash. Okay, here also dash, here also dash. Now these two balance carried down, we will transfer it where it will go in the liability side as capital of Rambha and Urvashi. So Rambha we got 42,100 and here 21,260. So So the total of this we get in the outer column 63,360 when we add these two. Okay, so now just check whether the balance sheet is tallying or not. The answer you will be getting 1,29,000, and thus our balance sheet is tallied. Okay, if you have any problems, any confusion, you can comment below and just say how was the video. I did my best to teach you all, so please don't forget to give a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do share with your friends, and thank you. Bye bye, have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.